Hello everybody, it's time for our typing test, and go log into TypingWeb, and instead of using the courses or the trophies tabs, come here to the test tab and click. It will bring up a screen that is similar to the other screens they use, and just begin lesson. These typing tests involve all of the letters of the alphabet. So take this test and see how well you do. I'm hoping everyone will improve by 1 word per minute net per week of the course. If this is the midterm, the 5th week, you should be typing 5 words per minute faster than when you started. If it's the final week, you should be typing 10 words faster than when you started. Good luck!